Are you tired of sending boring and monotone emails on Gmail? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. Step 1. Open gmail.com on your web browser. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the top bar and click on the gear icon located on the right side. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on See All Settings. Step 4. Now navigate to the General section and scroll down until you see Default Text Style. Step 5. Under Default Text Style, you will find the option to change the text color. Click on it and choose the color you prefer. Step 6. Once you've made your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to apply the new text color. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily change the text color in your messages on Gmail on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you next time.